Okay, guys, so if you get tired of going through the YouTube videos, then if you go to AmericanRoofExpert.com, I've built a training, okay? And it's a bunch of free information, tricks, just a whole bunch of stuff, and you can go in and you can watch everything. It you can hit get started here. Um, YouTube channels here. You can share stuff here. You can go to our YouTube channel here. Um, you can go here, click that roofing industry toolbox. All right, so I've got a training on Spadio, how I set up my pins, putting Spadio into Hell Recon, why you should own a lead system yourself, like how to keep track. If you're if the owner of your company wants for you to keep track, and then what if you get fired one day and you lose all your leads? It's crazy, right? Um, I go through LastPass, procrastination, Mile IQ, my toolbar or my toolbox in my apps for my Android. Um, Textra, which is for Android. This is a really good training that like it you just need to go in. If you're going to build your own business, one logo, see where it's blue, you can click on those links. Um, just a rant on Google. I put like this for motivation because for some reason Rocky makes me want to fight through things. Sometimes I'll just sit around and watch all four Rockies, five. Don't really care for six. I love the new ones. Okay, and then this module two right here, where to go to get leads. This is unlimited leads, right? So I show you how you can find the phone numbers on Hell Recon, and then put them into Mojo Dialer. So it's kind of interesting. Homemade call center stuff. This one right here goes into Goodzer, Smart Leads Lab, Best Storms. These are some companies where you can pay per lead. They're good companies, but just click, watch the video, and it'll explain more. Yeah, ride, stack. Go to the next module. Joist and Google Drive. Joist is a way to be able to do estimates, and I use the free way. So if you watch this video and then pause it and then copy this, like start up your own joist, and then copy this whole thing, and then you just put whatever the rate per square, and then like let's say it's a 26.8 square roof, do that, and then it automatically fills in the blank for you, and then you fill in all this. If you watch the video, it'll go step by step. But yeah, I love Joist. Um, how to keep track of Google Drive and see Tyra Banks, Cindy Crawford. I use the Angels because I'm 37, about to be 38 one day. Hopefully, I'll make it. Genius Scan. I go over Genius Scan, which I love. How to put stuff into Genius Scan, how to put stuff into Google Drive, putting leads. Like let's say you get a lead, how to put the lead into Spadio. Eagle View, roof orders, and Sky Measure, and sort of the difference. You just hit next module or go back for either one. Disturbing the roofing industry. Roof Sales Mastery. This girl right here is a badass. I spend many hours going through these videos, going through that training. How to get your iPad or iPhone to be able to talk to you, read to you. This is a cool training. Door-to-door mastery. This is where I started. Paul Shakuri. Man, I was so scared to go door to door when I first started. Man, I'm not going to hold your hand. I'm not a sales trainer. Green Sky. Putting in a roof order to the supplier. Like if you're going with ABC or Beacon or whatever, we've got sheets of paper, and I think it's module 9. We have sheets of paper, so when you send in the order, it's kind of like a step-by-step system of how to put in the roofing order. You don't look like an idiot. That was one of my biggest fears when I went out on my own. I was working for a company and they kept everything to themselves. So I didn't know what I was doing, If you click here, you go to our other website, which is a supplement website, and I'll do one. Get your free residential Xactimate roofing supplement today. I do one for free just to kind of show skills and whatever. So it's $100 for estimates, and it's $150 for supplements. And 72 hours or your money back, minus Sundays or any major holiday. It's one of my favorite speeches. Down South Georgia boy. He became a billionaire. Super good. This is where it gets good. What do you keep saying? What's your problem, man? What's your problem, man? God, man. Makes me want to go out and work right now. All right, this right here is a call sheet. If you click here, you can download this call sheet and give this to the lady at your front desk or anybody that's calling the insurance companies. Give this to all your sales guys, and that way when they're sitting at the kitchen table, they can find AIG's phone number straight up to their claims department or Allstate, or there's 99 different companies on this sheet. Audible Rant, all the books that I like that I go through. This is a freaking 20-minute video. I went kind of nuts there. These are some books that I really love. I am a book person. I love books. Legal services. This guy right here, if you call this guy or get on his website, you can get set up for $39 or $89 to have a customized legal plan for your business. And it will make it so you can ask the lawyers any question. They'll write letters so that you can collection letters. They go through everything, They'll check your website to make sure that it's up to par. They'll check your contract to make sure that it's up to standards for the state that you're in. I go over assignment of benefits. This is a cool video about assignment of benefits, and then go small biz, non-competes, new hires, and lawyer retainers. Insurance. If you're going to go out on your own, this is a good guy to do your insurance through, and it works for every 50 state. These people will fix your credit. I used them a long time ago. I mean, it's invaluable information, And then 9 is a shared Google Drive. You can take stuff out of it and you can kind of go in and just click this. And then like you see this down, and then you can see down in the bottom corner right here, you can see the URL. So all you got to do is click that and then it'll go through. You can contact us here. Get your complimentary residential Xactimate roofing supplement today, or let's talk about your business and see if I can help you. But as soon as I get your email or your phone number, really your phone number, I'll call you as soon as possible. Go through everything with you. This is just, you know, I watch another YouTube channel and the guy's from England and he says chocolate block full of useful information, you know. Um, and my beard. Sometimes my beard, I'm not really sure about my beard, you know. Just check it out. Spend your time, you know, and then use the free residential Xactimate roofing supplement. You know, I'll do one. All you got to do is reach out, and I will make you an extra $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000 or $8,000, just depending. Just don't send me anything stupid like a castle. It's residential. We do residential. Yell at me. Use and abuse me. Y'all have a great day.